basics of any JSON file. JSON stands for JavaScript Object Notation. So while we start creating any JSON file, we have to start with a double quote, and followed by that we are using all necessary attribute as it is, like the employee ID of the person, followed by the first name, and we have incorporated the first name, the language ability of that particular person. So here we make use of an array. So it starts with a square bracket. Followed by that, we have added the attribute like the name of the language should be in the double quote, and followed by the language and the knowledge level. So while we are working with JSON, any specific component we are using, like we are using an array over here. So we started with a double bracket and ending with another double bracket. Followed by that, another record also we have added, and this is how we have closed it. Followed by that, we have used another attribute over here called job, and again we are starting with a double quote, and where we have mentioned the name of the organization and the designation, and finally we are closing the brackets. And this is how we have created one simple JSON file. So now we will also have a look on another very important component that is called JSON parser. So suppose if you like to work with an online JSON parser, so this is the interface of the JSON parser. So here in the left hand side, in the left hand pane, if you put one particular code over here, so it will give you the corresponding output. Like we are giving the code, and finally you see this is the corresponding